Hello, everyone. Hello, DCN community. Welcome back to another episode of crypto market updates. Pretty much will happen weekly, right? So during the week, we offer day-to-day updates on what's going on. If it hasn't been clear enough, make sure you follow our social media. You can find all of this information down below in the description. And before we begin, make sure to remember that every and any single decision you make outside of this video is solely and uniquely your responsibility. This is not financial advice. This is only our opinion and what we believe and what's interesting and what's new in the crypto market space. So with that being said, let's go ahead and begin. Guys, so we know we're October 1st, and this is pretty much the first articles of the week starting on Monday. We'll begin going through the list. So FTX to include, FTX, by the way, is a crypto exchange that's received a lot of funding from very famous people actually that you might know. But FTX Crypto Exchange is looking forward to including its logo on Mercedes Formula One race cars. We know that Formula One practically races in 6 different continents, very famous sports. And matter of fact, Mercedes tends to always be like their number one winner, maybe thanks to Lewis Hamilton and such. But it's not the first time that FTX actually does this type of actual brand marketing. They've done this quite often with other in other sports. Here you can see that they've leveraged the sports industry for its marketing. Earlier this month, basketball superstar Stephen Curry joined the trading platform. And it seems here that also, I think 7-time Super Bowl winner Tom Brady has also formed a similar deal with FTX. So you can see that FTX is really moving forward on really exposing their brand to many different industries, to many different sports, to enter the crypto community, because as we know, it is always evolving and moving forward. Great, that's the first article. Let's move on to the second. We have Cardano, who partners with Chainlink. Many of you know this week Cardano had done a lot of updates. Recently, there was the Alonzo hard fork. Now we're interested in learning about their partnership with Chainlink to integrate oracles for advanced to smart contracts. This is quite interesting as well. The articles in every single article, by the way, guys, that we go through is not every single article that has been posted by Daily Crypto Network during the week. So if you want to not miss out on any other articles that we don't go through in this video, make sure you join our Telegram. The link is in the description down below. So yep, Cardano looking to team up with Chainlink. Quite interesting. And then we have some more Cardano news. Cardano is partnering with American telecom service Dish Network. Very interesting. Dish Network is a television satellite provider. I remember back in the day, actually, at my home, we actually used to have Dish Network, so that's quite interesting. We don't have it anymore, but Dish and Cardano is happening. And I believe that somewhere in this article, here we go. Quote unquote, if it becomes successful, it could turn into the default business model for the telecom space. So Cardano is looking to innovate inside of the telecom space by partnering with Dish Network. That's great. Great news, great adoption. And we're going to move forward here. What do we have here? Some bullish news for our American viewers. Coinbase users can choose to deposit paychecks directly to their accounts. This is only happening in the United States for the moment, I believe. This is as much or as little as. And this feature should be rolling out in the next few weeks, so it's not available yet. But you can definitely stay tuned with Daily Crypto Network. We will definitely bring this news out to you on a platter, right? Woo, we're moving forward and we're talking a lot, guys, but that's because this crypto market does not stop. Here we go. More news. Miami working on allowing tax payments in Bitcoin. This has been promised by Mayor Suarez. We know that Mayor Suarez is very, very bullish on cryptocurrency. He's even hosted some sort of event. I think it was like the Bitcoin show that was in Miami. I remember that happening sometime in 2021. And I also remember there was an effort towards Miami creating some type of stable coin, Miami coin, which won't directly be a CBDC, but it could some way be a coin for the city of Miami. And this is quite interesting as well. You guys, in the comments below, let us know, would you pay your taxes in Bitcoin? That's a great question. I hope to see you guys' responses. It'll be super interesting to have you guys interact with us. We know that we are new to the crypto market space, but what we can reassure you is that we're here for the long run. Boom! Jack Dorsey and his company Square is looking forward to joining the largest Bitcoin investment in Africa. He's joining many other companies as well that have joined this big investment in Africa. There's Coinbase Ventures, blockchain.com. If there's noise in the background, guys, just please ignore it. I'm sorry. I'm not going to redo this video. All the videos that we do is not really edited. It's all just raw material, so you guys can enjoy to the fullest. And mind you, all of these links are down below as well. A quote from James Fitzgerald, the founding partner at Valar Ventures. He says, many African countries adopted mobile phones without ever distributing landlines at scale, and many African countries adopted mobile payments without ever distributing credit and debit cards at scale. That could be quite interesting. This will be very something to keep an eye on about what is interesting in Africa and how this can also help their economy move forward. But crypto is bullish all the way. Here we go. Let's go on to something even more interesting for those who have already staked in Ethereum, or for those who are looking forward to staking in Ethereum. As you know, for the moment, once you stake Ethereum, it is not possible for you to actually withdraw your staked amount, not until Ethereum 2.0 moves from a proof of work system to a proof of stake, which is soon to happen. Here we have Ethereum 2.0 developers that are letting us know that the Altair upgrade for October, the Altair upgrade should be coming in the late of October. So remain vigilant with Daily Crypto Network. We will be sure to bring you more news on this update and what it means for us. Incredible news, guys. It's happening so fast as well. Super. By the way, today's October 1st, 2021. First day of the month of October. As we are familiar with the Bitcoin historical chart, we can see that September was historically a month where there are not good returns with Bitcoin and or the crypto market in general. On the first day of October, as also on the historical chart, October is a good month. It is a month where you receive good returns. As far as historically, this does not mean that the month of October will necessarily or obligatedly, that's not a word, but pretty much like not have a choice but to be positive. We never know what can happen. Always stay cautious on the market, especially if you're a trader. Boom, let's get into this news, guys. Sorry about that. Russian post to employ blockchain technology and parcel tracking. So this information is definitely interesting, as we know that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are one of the use cases of blockchain technology. This is the technology that's under Bitcoin that allows many different features and many different disruptive aspects to actually all different industries. So you can see here that it is also being implemented in Russia for their parcel tracking, and I believe that this is in order for them to reduce the number of lost shipments. So that is very important. They have the ability to actually follow each and every single order because it is on the blockchain. It is on the blockchain, exactly, on the blockchain ledger. And if you're not familiar with blockchain technology as of yet, make sure you look at the link in the description down below. We have already created a manual on blockchain and decentralized applications. All right, guys, let's move on to something a bit more interesting, a bit crazy as well. But we are moving into the digital space of the world. As you can see, there's digital currencies, artificial intelligence, whether it's 3D or 4D reality. Look here, Cardano again. Cardano has been having like a crazy week. It's actually insane. Cardano to power humanoid robot nurse named Grace. So it appears to me that this is an artificial intelligence robot that's named Grace, who is fluent in English and Korean, and was designed by Awakening Health and Singularity Net. So I believe that this is supposed to be applied both in elder care and general health care. I don't believe that this actually has been already deployed in the market, but we know that they are obviously testing these little robots out to see how beneficial they can be to our society. But obviously, Cardano is looking to implement and integrate their software, their blockchain, in order to enhance the robot's performance, and much more information that will come out quite soon. I'm actually reassured. But yeah, guys, like this market is moving very fast. We have more to show you. Please stay tuned. You need to make sure that you remain on this video until the end, because we go through a lot of articles in a very short time. This could be quite beneficial if you don't have the time to read all of the articles every single day. We make sure we get it done for you. Boom. Ripple places $250 million bet on NFT market. So wow, the NFT market is actually new as of maybe 2020, 2021. I'm not sure if that's correct, but I believe so. Once that one artist Beeple ended up selling their art for like 60 million. It was crazy. So NFT market is going to actually have to go through different types of actual volatility, just as the crypto market. But Ripple seems to be placing a bet on them, and we all know that Ripple is also still in an ongoing investigation with the Securities and Exchange Commission in the United States. This as well, we will make sure to keep you informed as well. Boom. What else do we have for you? This is actually an interesting one. So India tops the list of crypto ownership with 100 million hodlers. Can you take that into account? Mind you that India at this moment, they've actually said, the Indian government, and I believe the Central Bank of India has mentioned that, or the Central Bank of India has mentioned that crypto is actually banned in India. Well, I don't know. I mean, actually, when you think about it, you can't ban crypto, but they've said that it's pretty much like not been regulated yet. So they're going through a lot of issues with regulating cryptocurrencies and trying to figure out a way to regulate it and allow it to be legal. Obviously, they're looking for ways to tax as well the hodlers of cryptocurrency. But yeah, 100 million users, or 7.3% of the population of India obtain cryptocurrency. So it's actually a huge number, and yeah, it's a really huge number. So if you want to know more here, if you want to know more about how many, the top 10 countries with the most hodlers, here you are. USA is 27.5, Russia coming in third, and so forth. What else do we have for you? This is an interesting one that came out today on the 1st of October. At least Daily Crypto Network is posting it on the 1st of October. Here we see that it's September 29th, 2021. But the Missouri mayor, Mr. Jason Stewart, is very, very, very bullish on Bitcoin. Matter of fact, he wishes to give every household in the small town of Cool Valley $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. This is actually quite amazing for residents in the city of Cool Valley, excuse me. We all know that Bitcoin is actually very rare and very unique. There's only 21 million units of Bitcoin. So for every household to have 1,000, they can consider themselves very, 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 very lucky. Sorry about that. Okay, so just to end it off, we have a couple more links to share with you. And this is just simply going to be about comments that have happened throughout the week of the 25th of September to today, October 1st. And by the time this video will be uploaded, it will be October 2nd. Billionaire Orlando Bravo owns Bitcoin and is very bullish. He is the co-founder and private equity firm and he's the co-founder, of the private equity firm Thoma Bravo, and he believes that institutional adoption would fuel higher prices. And he's not the only one to say this. Matter of fact, we have another billionaire. So another billionaire is rolling the dice on Bitcoin. He believes that it can replace gold. We are speaking about billionaire Chamath Palihapitiya. So he is actually the CEO of Social Capital, and he recently said that he believes that it could actually reach the price of 200,000. Obviously, it would have to go through 100,000 and 150,000. But he's very bullish on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as a whole, and that is very good news. I believe it was either yesterday or before yesterday, the Fed Chair Powell and the Secretary of the Treasury did a debrief on questions and doubts by their respective mayors in the country of the United States. And the Chairman, Jerome Powell of the Fed, has said that he will not ban cryptocurrency. Well, to be quite fairly, us in the DCN community were very aware that it is impossible to actually ban cryptocurrencies, but he openly clears the air saying that cryptocurrency is not banned. So that is actually very bullish news as well. And we all know this week that China had banned cryptocurrency, and we all are familiar with buy the rumor, sell the news. Well, we have the GOAT once again speaking about cryptocurrency and the crackdown on China and why China decided. And, you know, it makes quite a bit of sense. To the Communist Party, they wish to maintain grip on power. We are familiar with the cryptocurrencies not having a central authority, so this might not fit into China's plan. And we're also very familiar that China is looking forward to deploying the digital yuan sooner or later. So yeah, that's quite interesting as well. And I believe as far as our last article for today, let's see. Boom. We have another analyst. Bitcoin to become the 21st century digital gold, Dutch bank analyst posits. He believes that the Bitcoin market is definitely on the right track to becoming very bullish and maybe the center of finance one day. That appears to be all for today, Daily Crypto Network community. It was a pleasure to bring you all this news once again on our second week since we've posted on YouTube. Make sure to give this video a like, share, and subscribe for more content if you like this type of content. And here you can have a look as well as our Telegram. We post daily and constantly on information that has might not made it to this video. So if you're interested in it, definitely join. It's all in the description down below. Guys, everyone, have a great and excellent weekend. See you in the next video. Ciao.